Hello students. So I hope you are safe at your home and are doing well in this period, that is pandemic, and we have to fight this situation. So we all are brave and we are trying to give our best in this situation as per whatever we have resources like that. So today I have brought you one topic that we can present any topic through that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So before that I would like to give my introduction to you. So I belong from Nanda English School, and as I am teaching here computer subject. So related to that I am going to introduce a topic that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So just before that, before starting, what is the presentation? So presentation means, in simple language we can say that representation of any concept using text, audio, some video and some extra information. Means we can use text also, we can add some pictures for explaining that concept, and we can use some multimedia tools also. So that is nothing but presentation. So for presentation there are many softwares present available in the market. So today I am going to teach you one software that is used for making presentation, that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So I would like to write here the topic, that is Microsoft So this topic is totally a practical based topic, but then also we need to understand some concept before starting actual practical things. So here, before that we need to understand what is the necessity of having presentation, means how we can use computer for that. But before, what we have used in past, that is whenever we have to present any concept or we have to present any topic, so we have used the board like this, or we have explained that topic orally. But can you imagine that if we have to draw some pictures related to that topic, so it is not much possible that if we can draw 2 to 3 pictures related to that topic. So if we take a topic like saving earth, so here we can show the pictures of saving earth, whatever we are going to explain. So this we cannot do on a board very efficiently. We can add some pictures, but that will be not as fast as we can do on computer. And another thing, that we cannot add some audio or some video file here. So I am telling you the comparison between whenever we present some topic using the traditional methods and how we can use the computer. So this is what the necessity of this presentation or any application using a computer. So when we present any topic using a device like a computer and a software, that is Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, so at that time we can show or we can represent that topic using these tools, whichever I have told you earlier, that we can add a text also, with contents we can write, then we can add some pictures which are already there, and we can add some audio files and some video files also. And there are many tools that we can use in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So before starting, just I would like to tell you, this is what I have already prepared. Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So step by step I will explain you how we can use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to make such type of slides or presentation, we can say. So what I am going to cover today is that purpose. I already have told you that why we will use Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then we'll see how to start it on a computer, then how to prepare different slides using different layouts, how we can use different themes in that, how we can make it more beautiful using this software, then how to make it more effective. So how we can represent that topic in more effective way that we can see here. So how to, purpose I have told you, how to start. So I will tell you practically also how we are going to start that. Now here everybody can see the start button. No matter whatever your operating system is, on this bottom left corner always a start button is there. So when you click on that start button, you will see a start menu will appear here. And here you can see Microsoft Office. So Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is one of the application of Microsoft Office. So no matter whatever is the version here, you can explore this Microsoft Office on clicking that arrow, and you can see the different applications of Microsoft Office. And here you will see Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this is the actually icon for PowerPoint presentation. Operating system wise it will change. So here PowerPoint is written, then you have to click on this. So you can see this window will appear. So here on this right side you can see different layouts are there. These are called as layouts. Background color, different themes you can apply here for your presentation. So simply for beginners you can use this blank presentation, and later on also after completing your presentation you can change this appearance. So initially you can select this blank presentation. So just double click on that and you will see this window will appear. Now, so we have seen how to start Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Then we'll see how to prepare slides. So again I will go on that blank presentation and you can see from here how to prepare our slides. So here first I will explain you some important components, and then we'll see how to add the slides and how to add content in that. So here you can see this top area, okay. So file, home, insert, design, transitions, animations and so on. So these are called as tabs. So right now I am on file tab, which is enabled in red color, you can see. Here. See here, this menu will appear for file menu. Now here different options are available. So whenever we will save that file or open existing file, we can use that. So here that is a file tab. Then the most of the work we have to do under home tab only. So right now I am on home tab. So here the option you can see here is a new slide. Okay, so this we have to use whenever we have to add a new slide. We have to just click on this. So here a new slide will appear, means this is the first slide, we have clicked on new slide, here a second slide appear. Now tell me what is this, because you are saying the layout of this slide is different and for this it is different. So how we can select this?
From the layout option.
Yes, from layouts options, as per our content we can select the layout of this slide, because in some topic, in some concept we have to do comparison also. So like that we can select our layout from here. So here beside this new slide one option is there, we can drop down arrow, you can see here, you can click and you will see different layouts. Office theme, it is named as office theme, and you can see different layout for a slide is there. So as per our content we can select the layout. So here for comparison we can select this. So here you can see directly 2 columns are added, and here we can write the title. So we can write down the comparison of 2 topics. So like that, if you want to add some picture, and according to that you can write down here explanation of it. So this is the layout which we can select here. This I have selected now, content with caption. So this is what content with caption right now I have selected. Means here you can write down a title, then you can add some picture here, and you can write down a explanation of that same picture here. So according to our content there are different layouts available. So gradually we will see how to use that, but right now I am telling you how we can add different layouts to a slide, new slide. So again we will add a new slide, and I will show you another layout. So blank, here you can use it as a blank also, no title, nothing. So later on you can change this. So here that was added. Simply if you want to add title only slide, so here you can use title only. So this is how we can use different layouts for a new slide. Now see here, I have choose this background, okay, and I have written some content here. So how I have written this? So this is what a title and contents layout I have used. Here Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, whatever is our topic that I have written here, and the points. Only bulleted points we should write here, because it should not be a very cloudy, means you should not write all the contents here. It should be only the topics or some key points we should write on the first slide. So here we have seen, I have told you purpose, so I have written it here. Then how to start, that point I have explained you. Then how to prepare slides, so this I have already explained you. Now how to make it more effective, that we'll see now. So first of all, home tab we need to understand. So here new slide we have already seen. Then layouts are here beside this new slide, and then here you can see the same tabs or same groups. This one, font, paragraph and drawing. So this is present in Microsoft Word also, and here also you can see this. Clipboard is for whenever we copy or cut some text or some content, it is present on that clipboard area. Then in slide group you can see the different option for slide. Then this is the font group, that is paragraph group, and then drawing group. So each group have different function. Now in font group we can see here different options are available. So first one is that how we can change this font appearance of this text. This we can select from here, and as per our requirement we can change this. Okay, so this you can use here. First you have to select the text from your slide and then click on this font name. So according to that it will get changed. So if you scroll below you can see more options are available. So if you want to change it like this, you can see it has changed. The style of this text is changed. Now again, if you want to change the size of that characters, this text, so here the font size you can change. So see here you can see the change, that how the size is changing of purpose whatever I have selected. So if I make it more, then this rest of the text, so you can see the size is increased. Then we can also make it bold. So first select that and then click on bold. So here it is bolder than the other characters. So similarly we can use different options that are available under font tab, that is purpose. Now I have make it as italic. If you want to underline that, you can use the underline option. This is again bold. Now this is used for character spacing, means how much space should be there in between two characters. So this also you can specify. So this is normal. Okay. So type, if you want to use it more closer, then you can use like this. Loose, very loose, and we can add more spacing as per our need, as we can change that also. So if you choose very loose, then you can see the spacing between two characters is increased. Now next to that is, now we have written this, already we have written, and we want to change the case of these characters. Means if we have written this in lower case and then we want it in upper case. So by a single click we can change the case of that characters like this. Just we need a single click. So now I will make this capital. Now you can see how to start is all in capitals. So this is the benefit of using the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation or the digital content, because whenever we will write this like this on a board in the traditional methods when we are using. So you can see first we have to erase this everything and then we have to write it in capital. So as this is a small text, only 3 letters are there. But when we have to change the case of the whole page or the whole contents, maybe it may be 3 pages or 10 pages. So at that time, in a single click, we can change the case of all those 10 pages. So at that time, we can understand the benefit of using this digital presentation. Then next we'll see how to change the color of the text. Means we are now learning how to make it more effective. So this is basic, means how to add the slide, how to add the content, okay, that we have already seen, and now we are learning how to make it more effective. So here we can see how to add the content here. Just I will show you one example, that is if I want to create some document for school. So here I will give content as Nanada English School, and then similarly if you want to delete some character, you will use backspace key and then delete key. So this is the title I have given. So this will be a single slide for the title only. We can make it, can arrange it like this, and now I am going to change the text color for this. So now I have selected red as a text color, and you can see that color of this text is changed. So we can again increase the font, and now the next we'll see, that is aligning, means if you want to make it in center, then we can write like this. So here we can add some pictures of schools also, and we can make it more effective. Now this is simple how I have added a simple content in one slide. Now next, here these are two options, that means shortcut buttons to make it to increase the size and decrease the size. So if you are gone increasing the size, you can see the size is increased, and similarly we can decrease this size also. So this group means font we have completed. So in that what we have seen, how to change the style of this text, then how to make it more bit bold in bolder letters, then how to make it in italic, how we can represent that, and how to underline that. Now will tell me how, what we can do, what we can add in this to make it more effective. Yes, who will tell me? I already told you that the presentation means here we can add the text also, some images also, and we can add some audio visual clips also. So here we can see that this is a simple slide. Now I will tell you how to add some pictures here. So similarly in already made presentation, you can see for single text also I can change the color of the text. If I want to emphasize on one word, then I can change the color of that text, like home. Here click on home tab. So home is, I want to make it more specific, so I have changed the color of home. So likewise you can make it, and I can write down the steps also like this. For when I have to follow some steps, we can use this type of shapes. So shapes are already available. I will tell you how to use that. Now see here, if I want to explain some topic regarding a computer, so at that time I can add already existing picture. So here you can see I have added a picture here. So this is the picture, okay, some points are there already there, and here I can write the content, means explanation of this picture here. So I have written this step, add the picture and then write some information of that picture. So how to do this I will tell you. So here this is a new slide already we have taken, and here you can see some options are there. So this is a simple layout, title and then content. So here you can see option is there for table. Here we can add a chart, then some text. Here this icon is for adding a picture. So it is there on a slide also, and here we can insert the picture from insert tab also. So here we can see a third option is for picture. So both options we can use. The simple one is this. So from this, wherever your picture is saved, you can click on that picture and then you can use that picture here. So there are no pictures right now here. So if there are pictures in your folder, then we can use it. So here just by clicking on that icon, you can add the picture. Here some saved pictures you can add here, or you can search from the online and then you can add the pictures. So this is for video clip. So here you can add a clip that is already available with me and can insert it here, and whenever you will play the slideshow, you can play that audio or video. So this is how we can make a PowerPoint presentation by adding pictures. Some shapes also you can insert from the insert tab. See here the shapes option is there. From here you can insert these all already present shapes here, and you can make it more beautiful. So what we have seen, I will just summarize what we have learned today. That we have seen what is the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, then the purpose, what is the necessity of this type of presentation, then we have seen how to add the slides in that, how to add our content, how to add a picture in your presentation, and then how we can add some multimedia tools in the presentation. Now the last step I am going to show you, that is how to play this presentation. That is, here you can see slideshow, one tab is there, and when you click on that tab you can see different options here, from beginning, from current slide, both way we can play the slideshow. So I will play it from beginning. So see here whatever changes I have made, that will be reflected here. So this is the second slide, third one, fourth slide, the picture that I have added. This is one effective tool that we can add a video clip here. So see here, when we'll click that clip, on that clip it is played like this. You can play it here. So it will be more effective. rather than using traditional methods. And this, when we have some data statistics, then we can use this type of charts also. So we can see in, if we are using graphics to show some statistics, then we can understand it by a single site also. Means by looking at that we can understand the comparison and all those things using this type of chart and visual graphics. So there are different types of charts and graphics we can use. So this is just one type from that. Then how to save that and how to play. So that I will show you. And the last slide always will write the thanks. So under file, a save option is there. So whenever we have finished, we can save that file. We can specify the location by using save as also, in which folder you want to save that. So this is all about how we can make PowerPoint presentation, and I hope that you have understood the basics of making PowerPoint presentation, and you can make this type of presentation in more effective and beautiful way. So thank you for listening me.